blinking. So there's something going on with this vehicle. There's something going on with this truck. Check engine light keeps coming on. Kind of shakes a little bit like it's got a misfire, which I know it does. That's what it tells me. My scanner tells me I got a misfire, cylinder number 3. So now the question is, what is it? Is it the coil, which is new, the spark plug, which is new, or the fuel injector, which I swapped with another one, and it's not the fuel injector because it didn't jump cylinders, stayed on cylinder number 3. So I even changed the pigtail connector. So honestly, I'm running out of ideas here. So we'll see what happens.